Hey, you're here with Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We are doing a new build house. This flat roof behind me. Come on, take a look. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so there's a small roof. You can see, you saw the front. We are going to put a scupper right here. We have to clean off this roof. Put some reglet here, metal flashing around. First, we got to clean the roof off and start putting the base sheet. Show you what it looks like. Okay, so the job has been swept and cleaned. I want to put some soper board down and basically taper it to where we can put a scupper right there and have our drainage off the roof. So that's the idea. I'm going to screw some soper board down, try to taper it to that scupper area, cut in the scupper, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I just wanted to show you the underside of the deck. It's an open canopy, so they are going to put soffit underneath that. So because the wood up top has a lot of mortar and just concrete from the brick layers have fallen down, I'm going to put soper board down to clean it up, give us a proper substrate to adhere to. So here we go. And again, they're going to put soffit there, so there's no worry about the fact that the owner is now going to see screw heads coming down the bottom of that. Okay, so we fastened down the soper board. You can see that. Now we got a new substrate. We also tapered it to that scupper notch out. You can see right there. We notched out a scupper. This is a front canopy, so the client doesn't want an eaves trough. So we're draining the roof over there. We notched it out. We want to make sure this is the low point. Remember, you can see a window here. We don't want the client to look out and see a lake all year round. Tapered it to the back, notched out the scupper so it sits a little lower. We're going to start priming it and putting the base sheet on. Okay, we got the base sheet in place. We got the scupper roofed in. We'll show you what the details look like. So that's our scupper roof in place. We have the membrane up and over the parapet, and we also have the base sheet up and up the wall. So here we go. We're going to start priming and then putting cap sheet and metal flashing around. So it looks like. Okay, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. The job is finished. You can see behind me, turned out wonderful. But the metal flashing in, scuppered in, detailed in, and I will do a panorama so you guys can see the close-up views. And there you guys go. The job turned out nice. We got a wall detail in, roofed in. Again, he's going to see it from here. He's got a window, so one, it's got to be waterproof too. It also has to look nice. It's a beautiful new home, and the detailing turned out great. Okay, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the Southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.